In many communities across Rwanda, cooking is a part of daily life. But behind it lies a silent challenge. Smoke-filled kitchens, time spent collecting firewood, and health risks that affect families, especially women. Clean cooking is not just a solution, it is a necessity. In February, the SFERE project brought this solution closer to communities through an awareness campaign implemented by the Energy Private Developers Association, EPD. This awareness began in Rubavu and Rutsiro districts, ensuring it reached more households and that no community was left behind in the transition to clean cooking. The mission was simple: awareness, demonstrate, and listen. The journey began in the markets where everyday life happens. In Rubavu districts, we did outreach to communities at markets such as Mahoko, Karukogo, Rugerero, and more, where people gathered to see, touch, and understand clean cooking technologies. The same activity was being conducted in Rutsiro districts at markets such as Nhora, Shuni, Kampi, and more. Demonstrations turned curiosity into conversations. People asked questions: how does it work? How can we get it? And most importantly, can this improve our daily lives? The campaign then moved into schools where awareness becomes a future action. Students and teachers from different schools like GS Mukondo, GS Stella Maris, and more in Rubavu districts, as well as GS Karugarika and GS Rugaragara from Rutsiro districts, engaged, questioned, and reflected on the impact of traditional cooking on health and the environment. Young minds quickly understood what was at stake and what could change. Across all locations, one message was clear: communities are facing real challenges, from smoke exposure to high fuel costs and limited access to clean alternatives. But they are ready. Ready to adopt solutions that improve their health, save time, and protect the environment. The campaign concluded during Umuganda both in Rubavu and Rutsiro districts, bringing together communities and leadership. Local leaders, policymakers, and partners joined the conversation, reinforcing the importance of clean cooking at all levels. Demonstration once again showed that the solution is not complex, but access is key. Over the course of the campaign, hundreds of community members were reached across markets, schools, and public gatherings. Awareness increased, understanding has improved, and most importantly, demand was created. Communities are not just informed, they are asking for clean cooking solutions. This campaign showed one powerful truth: when people understand the solution, they want it. Clean cooking is more than technology. It is healthy, it is dignity, it is a better future. And the journey has only just begun.